Hi everyone, Mohit here with Cisco Tag NG Firewall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Proxy ARP in Cisco Secure Firewall Threat Defense. By default, Proxy ARP is enabled on all of the interfaces. You can disable the Proxy ARP on all of the interfaces at once or on a specific interface too. To disable the Proxy ARP on a specific interface, first let's go to the Lena mode of the firewall. To do so, access the CLI of the firewall and type System Support Diagnostic CLI. Now type Enable. Hit Enter again. Now type Show Run All pipesign include Proxy ARP. From this output, you will get to know the status of the Proxy ARP on all of the interfaces. I want you to disable the Proxy ARP on the inside interface. To do so, let's go to the FMC and navigate to the Devices and then a Flex Config tab. As you can see, currently there is no policy has been created over here from the perspective of Flex Config. So I'm going to create a new policy. To do so, click on New Policy and give it a name. Now from the drop-down, you need to select the firewall on which you had to apply this policy. Select it and then click on Add to Policy. Click Save. Now we have to create an object in which we will disable the Proxy ARP on the inside interface. To do so, you need to click on Flex Config Object. Give it a name. Now over here, you need to type a command sysop no proxy ARP inside. You can copy the same command from the CLI of the firewall as well. To do so, you need to go back to the CLI and just copy this sysop no proxy ARP inside, and then you can paste it over here. Now after that, you need to save this object. At this point, the object has been created and you can see the object in the user defined section. So you need to select that object, and after selecting that, you need to click on this arrow sign. What this will do, it will assign this object inside this policy. And after that, you need to save this policy. Once done, you need to deploy this policy onto the firewall. So click on Deploy, select your device and then deploy. Once done, you need to go back to the CLI mode and need to verify that the Proxy ARP is disabled on that interface or not. Over here, you need to type the same command again. And from this output, we'll get to know that the Proxy ARP is disabled on the inside interface. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.